Today we're breaking down how profitable ORB really is, which combination actually work, and how gurus are selling you unprofitable versions of the strategy, and more importantly, why. And by the end, we'll find out the one combination that's profitable, one that might actually get you through a profit challenge and to a payout. So you probably already know what ORB is, but let's break down what's the concept anyway. The idea is stupidly simple. The market opens, and for the first 10 minutes, 5, 15 or 30, price is basically finding itself. It forms a range, a high and a low. Break above it, buyers won, accept continuation up. Break below it, accept a drop. Stop goes on other side of the range. Why it works? The opening minutes concentrate volume and institutional interest. A breakout of the range often reflects a real shift in supply and demand, but of course there's a catch. Fake breakouts, choppy days, and generally clean stops are rare. That's exactly why every blogger has their own spin on ORB. Some filters by volume, some by week, some by fair value gap, and etc. Some only trace first 15 minutes of New York, some 5 and other versions of this strategy. The interesting part, pretty much every other trading blogger right now is pushing ORB. Simple mechanics, easy to explain, easy to sell a system. That's where all these paid courses come from. Same idea, different wrapping. Let's make a reality check. In most influencers video, you see a backtest spanning a month or two, and it looks perfect. A smooth green equity curve, not a single real drawdown. Look how consistent this is. Here's the problem. A backtest 15 or 20 trades doesn't make a strategy profitable long term. It's just a short window that can look great by pure luck. Every strategy can make this. The market happened to move the right way, and the strategy got a lucky stretch. To actually know if a system works, you need 100 of trades across different market conditions. Trending, choppy, high volatility, low volatility. 2 months isn't statistic. So let's make a real backtest setup. Almost every blogger says the same thing. The strategy work on any assets. Sounds very great for selling, but in reality every market has its own anatomy. Gold reacts economic data completely differently than Nasdaq. NQ can swing sharper and deeper on opening volume. Gold lives through the Asian and London sessions running parallel to the US session. Even the opening range itself a different size relative to price on each one. So we take the two most liquid instruments, gold and NQ, run ORB across 5 years of real data, not a couple months from a promo video, a full market cycle, trend, chop, high volatility around news, quite stretches before FOMC. That's how a strategy and every system actually show its real face, instead of cherry-picked window. Then we look at the raw numbers. How many trades over 5 years? Win rate, profit factor, Sharpe ratio, average drawdown, and the real question this whole thing is about. Can you actually pass a prop firm challenge and get a payout with this? Or just pretty picture that falls apart at the moment real money is on the line? So let's check real results. After 5 years of backtesting, the strategy is profitable overall. But notice this, every single enhanced version from this so-called gurus is just extra junk. It doesn't provide any improvements, it just makes plain or hard to use and give you the illusion that something changed in better way. So the simplest version that even institution can use performed best. 30-minute range, stop at the midpoint to our target. Now let's look at the same setup with realistic commission and slippage. And here where things shift. Every other combination besides the 30-minute range turn into either break-even or barely any profit at all. This conclusion writes itself. And keep in mind, even this backtest doesn't account of the human factor. Emotions, hesitation, skip trades. Live trading is always worse than the number on paper. So let's move on. Can you pass a funded account with this strategy? Yes and no. Plain ORB can do it. But how stable those results are is a different question. The most profitable combination still carries 25% drawdown. And that's not even counting the other junk creation from so-called guru. Here's the bottom line. ORB isn't some magic range. It's just another concept that helps you read the market. If you already understand the structure, ORB can make you a more systematic trader, but never take a guru word for it. So their job is just to sell you a dream. This dream you can become profitable of a pattern or to plug and play template. In reality, it benefits them when a strategy blows up your account, because then you blow their account buy another attempt, and they collect another fee from prop or even broker commissions, and the cycle repeats. Use the business model from them. You are the method, not the other place around. So leave a comment which strategy you want to test it next. We're going to define what's the difference between profitable ORB in the same range and in the same range unprofitable ORB that after 5 years of data, you're going to break even on your account. So also for realistic results, I created this equity curve. Basically, what it tells you, it's engine. After 5 years of backtest, we can check what's actually profitable and what's not. So first of all, what we see is that only classic model of ORB on NQ, 30-minute range, 5 minutes breakout, close above or below, can actually make you profitable after 5 years. And it's pretty good if we check this. Yeah, it not bad strategy, but on 5 years, it's I can't say it's a really good ROI on long term. I think it's not beat any S&P 500 and etc. And also I created engine that apply realistic trading costs. So if you trade prop firms or brokerage, let's check how this works. Realistic prop commission around $4 on one NQ contract, and slippage I think more like this. So we see that classic range that institutions even go about it and make some assumptions. So as you can see, it's actually profitable even with realistic trading costs. It's like commission, slippage, but let's check another one. As you can see, it's not that smooth. It's 15-minute range, and I don't recommend it trade it because as you can see, 30-minute range, it's from 9:30 to 10 a.m. and basically what it gives you is that 10 a.m. it's open a new 4-hour range, and it can be considered as true day open. So I recommend if you go with ORB, only trade 30-minute range. So as you can see, it's shitty versions of ORB that every guru tells you that you need like 15-minute, like 5-minute fair value gap, etc, etc. It just trash. It can be traded even if we offer any slippage. But as you can see, it just doesn't work like that. And also, every guru tells you that this strategy works on every asset. So let's try every single gold asset. As you can see, 30-minute range, it just fucked up with commissions and it's like that. 15-minute range minus 45. 54k and 19k. So yeah, it also because how gold actually behaves, because gold doesn't have this much liquidity in comparison to NQ, obviously. So as you can see, this is how it is. Actually, it's just 6-way, so ORB can be traded like 1 or many trades a day. So for gold, I recommended you to check IVB model. It's 1 hour, so you can actually just test on your own. And what we have it's composite ranking. Best overall is close beyond 30-minute range, 5-minute candle, survive cost best, still clearly the top performer, and just he just totally lost. So what problems and risk flags is cost eraser gold edge, drawdown with prop limits. So problem is even the most profitable strategy on 5 years of data has like this and this, so you can go break even after many years. And on prop firm accounts that you have like 10 maximum 12% of drawdown, it didn't survive. I think it's more on your luck and etc. So you can try it on your own, check how it works, and never trust guru or me. Just make a code and go test on TradingView or where you traded, and never backtest on your own with your human hands, because you can test it about like 1 year of data, and even that like 100 trades, it's nothing. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.